Hi guys, it's me and Cameron here today.
And Will. Dan. Alright, today we got some fidget
spinning.
Alright, we're going to do the vlog over here.
Okay, this is... Okay.
So, today we have this one, which is the golden Lamborghini one. Or two-spoked one. Here it is. And it's really heavy and it doesn't spin that well. And here it is. Some people like to call it the Lamborghini one. Some people like to call it the two-spoked one. So, doesn't spin very well.
Yeah.
My fingers are in the way. Yep, and that's and this is mine.
Golden Lamborghini.
Right, this is Ben's, the shiny red one. Before the bearing almost came out.
Yeah, but it still spins.
Yeah. Come in the video.
Okay.
And it spins really well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
No.
Okay, guys.
No.
Guys, we have this white
We have a glow in the dark one. It spins really good.
Yeah.
That's the glow in the dark one.
Yeah.
And this one is mine.
Okay.
A rainbow one. It's sort of an oil slick chrome kind of colour.
Yeah.
It spins good.
I can't move anymore.
No being silly, okay?
Oh my god, I'm just saying. Guys, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're sorry. Ben's just clumsy.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
I just want to grab one pin. We're going to grab the ultimate fidget spinner.
It's black and it doesn't have finger pads.
No, hey, Ben.
Yeah.
Ben. Can you please move?
No.
No, you have to. We're going to grab this ultimate fidget spinner. Here it is.
It's the Milo fidget spinner.
Here he is.
Milo. Everybody hashtag Milo.
Yeah, Milo.
If you think Milo is a fidget spinner,
I can spin him, but I can't really because he's too bad.
And if you think he's a fidget spinner, type up hashtag Milo fidget spinner. If you think he's just a normal cat, say hashtag cat Milo.
Milo.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
Bye.